Warning, do not buy Robert Benjamin's YouTube mentorship program until you've watched this entire video, because before investing your time, money, and energy into something, it's a good idea to first assess all of the factors. And I'm going to help you do that in this video by telling you 3 of the biggest pros and 3 of the biggest cons when it comes to this program. At the end, I will be providing you with a better, more affordable alternative, so be sure to stay tuned for that. For starters, let me explain how this program works. When I signed up, I immediately received a course, I filled out a questionnaire, they then sent me a customized plan, and from there, they emailed me suggestions for video topics. I was free to ask questions along the process. Now let's start off with the pros. Number 1, it did get me in the flow of posting YouTube shorts. Before, I was really reluctant to post them because I needed some direction with things like titles, duration, the best time to post, how to actually deliver the content, and they did a really good job at sending me examples so that I knew what worked, and this gave me a really good sense of what to post, and it helped me to get started. Pro number 2, it helped me to grow my channel. Before posting YouTube shorts, this was the growth of my channel. Once I started posting them, this is how my channel started to grow. Pro number 3, the shorts led to a lot of lead magnet downloads. So if you're somebody who treats their channel like a business and you offer something for free in exchange for people's emails, then shorts is a really good strategy to reach a wider audience and grow your email list. Now let's talk about the cons. Con number 1, his strategies were more about gaining followers really fast rather than building a strong community and business. So a lot of the shorts that he recommended were viral type videos about how to make money online really fast. And for me, that wasn't in alignment because I teach entrepreneurs how to build long-term and sustainable businesses. And I explained this to him, but his advice just wasn't in alignment. Con number 2, it didn't feel intimate. It was all over email, and I imagine it wasn't even him sending the emails. I also imagine that a lot of people struggled with this because they need to feel better held accountable, seen, and heard. One day I sent him an email, and then out of nowhere he stopped responding, and it really comes to show because it just didn't feel like he actually cared. Con number 3, he gave bad business advice, and the first thing I did with him is I shared my business goals, and I thought that he could help me with this because he runs a YouTube business. But again, his advice just wasn't at all in alignment with what my avatar actually wanted. I know you're someone who's serious about maximizing their growth and revenue on YouTube because you made it to this point in the video. And so I wanted to provide you with an alternative, and that is my YouTube Business Accelerator. It's for you if you want to treat your channel like a business so that you can get leads and sales, and so you don't have to wait until you're monetized to make high income. I've already helped dozens of YouTube entrepreneurs accomplish this, even within 1 to 3 sessions with me. Here's some testimonials just for proof, and this group is intimate, and I take the time to actually listen to you and help you to overcome any tech, mindset, or strategy issues that you're facing. I'm someone who's made it possible with this current channel, and I make anywhere between 5 to 10K plus a month. And imagine what that would do for you. Like, imagine having the freedom to travel, or to spend more time with your children, or to leave that soul-crushing 9-to-5 job. It's all possible with my program. I'm here to serve as your guide and to help you earn a return on your investment so that you can start doing what's in alignment with your soul's purpose. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or to shoot me an email, and I look forward to meeting many of you in the YouTube Business Accelerator.